welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Final Fantasy VII Rebirth game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, black screen, and several other issues on Xbox. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart the game. For that, first select your game from home screen. Now press menu button on controller and then select quit option. Finally, restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to check for Final Fantasy VII Rebirth update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often release patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure to check if there is an update available, and after updating the game, launch it and check. Next method is to clear persistent storage. So this will help you to clear the cache data for the open settings. Choose device and connections, click on Blu-ray, select persistent storage, choose clear persistent storage. After that, launch the game and check. Next method is to clear Xbox cache. For that, open settings, click on system, click on storage, then highlight storage device and press Y button on controller for device options. Under it, choose clear system cache. At last, confirm it by pressing yes. Next method is to check internet connection. For that, open Xbox menu, select settings, choose network settings, test network connection, wait for some time to complete, and then check if everything is working fine. Next solution is to perform power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. Next method is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. First, open settings on your Xbox, choose system, and then select updates. Here, check if any update is available and click on it to begin the updating process. Next is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on settings under profile and system. Next, go to account, click on remove accounts. Here, choose the account to remove, then select remove option. After that, add the account again. Next solution is to check storage. For that, press Xbox button, then go to profile and system, click on settings, click on system, click on storage. Here, check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused tabs or games to create space. And after that, launch the game and check. Next solution is to reinstall Final Fantasy VII Rebirth game. For that, press Xbox button controller, then move to My Games and Apps. Select See All option. Here, select Final Fantasy VII Rebirth. Then press menu button and then select uninstall. After the game is removed, open Final Fantasy VII Rebirth official website and download the game and then check if it's working. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So lastly, when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will try to resolve it from their end, and you can play the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.